Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete account, how to delete your Nintendo account, how to delete your Nintendo account. Now how do you do this? Let's say for one way or other you don't want to use the account anymore. How do you get rid of it? How do you delete it? It's quite simple. First you log into your Nintendo account using your credentials, and once you're in, from here you click on, because you look here you can see option for delete account, but I can show you where you can go. So just click on privacy under settings, and here you can see friend suggestion, email for Nintendo, privacy to your account information, and here you can see delete account. Click on it. Now be careful, because by clicking deactivate and delete below you will start the process of deleting your Nintendo account. Now this will result in loss of all content associated with your account, which may include any existing fund usable through this account, software items and passes purchased via this Nintendo account. You will lose the ability to re-download any digital software purchased by or linked to this account. Any saved or user data of any app linked to the account, like Super Mario Run, Fire Emblem Heroes, everything, you will lose them if you delete and deactivate the account. Next, all your mission status, points and rewards in the My Nintendo Rewards program, the ability to recover any unused downloaded codes obtained by redeeming your Nintendo points, and any special offers such as discount linked to this account also will be lost. Any child account and any parental control set by the account, however, any supervised account will not be deleted. Supervised account will be deleted, but this main account will be deleted. Please note that if your account is linked to a Nintendo network ID, that ID will not be deleted as part of this process, so you are safe there. Now let us look at the process for account deletion and deactivation. After choosing to delete a Nintendo account, to be deactivated for just 30 days before being deleted. During that 30 days, you can reactivate it by attempting to sign in, but the account will be deleted permanently after the deactivation period passes. So to activate an account that has been set for deletion, you need the password and email address you used to sign into your account. If you haven't verified your email address, you won't be able to retrieve your password if you forget it. So please verify your email address in case you want to reactivate your account. If you choose to reactivate this account during the activation period, Nintendo cannot guarantee that all of your data will be recovered. If you've really understood all the information above and still want to delete this account, then you click on delete, deactivate and delete. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.